In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello template. By the end, you'll know how to browse Trello's template gallery, create a new board from a template, adjust its visibility, and toggle the template setting on your boards so your team can reuse your best setups. First, head to Trello.com and sign in so you can access your workspaces and templates. From the home page or your boards view, open the templates area. This takes you to Trello's gallery of ready-made boards, which is a great way to jumpstart a workflow without building everything from scratch. In the gallery, open the Team Management category. These templates are designed for planning, meetings, onboarding, and general team operations. Browse until you find one that matches your needs. For this walkthrough, pick any template you like in the Team Management section and open it to see the description, the example lists and cards it includes, and any best practice notes from the creator. When you're ready, select Use Template. This starts the process of creating your own board based on what you're previewing, so you get the structure without altering the original template. Give your new board a clear title that your team will recognize later. Short, descriptive names work best. Think of what someone would search for when they're trying to find this board. Next, choose the workspace where this board will live. This determines who it belongs to and who can help manage it. If you collaborate with multiple groups, double-check you're choosing the correct workspace so permissions and access line up with your intentions. Before creating the board, adjust visibility. Open the Change Board Visibility options and pick the level that fits your situation. Private is locked down to board members only. Workspace visibility makes it discoverable to everyone in your workspace, which is great for transparency and collaboration. Public makes it available on the web. Use that only when you truly want to share the template or board outside your organization. If you're not sure, workspace visibility is a safe default for internal use. You'll also see checkboxes that control what gets copied from the template into your new board. Check the items you want to bring over, things like lists, cards, and other elements, and leave unchecked anything you don't need. Copying fewer items can keep your new board clean and focused. Once those choices are set, click Create. Trello will spin up your new board with the structure you selected. If a board switcher prompt appears, use it to quickly move between boards or dismiss any introductory pop-ups so you can focus on setup. Clearing those notifications helps you see the full board and sidebar. Now let's look at the template toggle on a board. Open the board menu and choose the template option labeled Template. Turning this on converts the current board into a reusable template inside your workspace. It's incredibly helpful when you've refined a process and want others to start from that exact structure. You can repeat this on any relevant board. Open the board switcher to jump to another board, then toggle template there as well. This way, you can mark multiple boards as templates or turn the setting off if a board should no longer serve as a template. A quick recap to anchor the flow. You went to Trello, opened templates, browsed team management, selected a template, used it to create a new board, named it, picked the right workspace, set visibility, chose what to copy, and created the board. Then you used switch boards to navigate, dismissed any pop-ups, and toggled template on the boards where you want a reusable starting point. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently create boards from Trello's gallery and manage which of your own boards act as templates for your team.